Yes. Yes. Ashish?
Yes,
Ashish?
yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Ashish?
Yes, it's working on screen.
It's working, right?
It's working on screen.
Hello. Hello, Ashish. Hello, good morning, everyone. So I'm really sorry for the delay due to some technical issue. So let's start our live trading session right now. So market has opened in a flat mode. If you observe the Bank Nifty has faced the tough resistance of around like 35,900 levels, which we have seen on the Friday. This is the triple top rejection which we have seen on the recent Friday. So from there we have fallen upward towards like 35,500 levels. But overall, Bank Nifty is struggling around like 35,550 levels right now. So in case if Friday low acts as a support, still we are in buy on dips market. Always we have to focus on three scenarios: whether we are in buy on dips market, sell on rise market, or consolidation market. So let's wait and watch for the further completion of the 30-minute scan so we can fix it out which is the best pattern to follow for the remaining part of the day. But overall, as I'm seeing that in general scenario, we are in buy on dips market. So ladies and gentlemen, let's start our upcoming strike price selection which we are going to do once we complete that 30 minutes pattern. So let it fix this 30 minutes short pattern, how the completion will happen right now. So if you see the in general scenario of the Nifty also is in flat mode right now. So Bank Nifty was struggling in 35,500 levels almost from last like 10 to 12 trading sessions. Yes, Bank Nifty is struggling around like 35,500 levels and Nifty is struggling around like 15,700 levels. Overall, the resistance for the Nifty is around like 15,750 levels in future segment. And if you observe the Bank Nifty future, 35,900 and 36,000 levels acts as a strong resistance. So Bank Nifty is facing the tough resistance than Nifty. So right now, which we need to focus is all about Bank Nifty right now. So in case if you are getting any kind of opportunity, that will be the buy on dips as of now. In case if market turns into sell on rise, I'll be giving you the update. See if you see the overall scenario, 15 minutes chart pattern. Just a minute, I'll be showing you. Yeah. So as long as we are above the trend line of the 20 days moving average, we are still in buy on dips market. So let's wait and watch up to 9:45. Let it complete in first 30 minutes candle. Then we can fix it out what we need to take for the remaining part of the day. So it is forming as a base level. 35,530 is forming as a base level as of now. So if in case if this is a region where we are getting the perfect support, so let's observe the ATM of like 35,500 call and 35,800 call OTM right now. So this is the area zone where we need to take the trigger point in call side. So what is the region is around like 250 of 35,800 calls. So right now we don't have any clarity to take the advantage of in call side or in put side. Just Bank Nifty is struggling in between resistance and support ranges. So it is in deep consolidation mode of like 35,530 levels. So if you observe the overall size of the Nifty, 15,750 is the resistance level which we have seen on recent Friday. So this is the area zone where we need to observe. So don't chase anything, but overall we are in buy on dips market, but we are waiting for the momentum. So let's wait and watch for next few minutes. In case if you are getting any opportunity, surely I'll be updating you right away. So still we are in consolidation mode. So don't touch anything right now until unless we get clarity. So we are in the writer's control right now. So once we get perfect trend line, where exactly we can find out the perfect trend line is all about, we need to focus in next few minutes. So ladies and gentlemen, so Bank Nifty is facing the tough consolidation right now. So we are observing just 15 minutes short pattern. So let's go for 30 minutes short pattern also at the same time. So 30 minutes, based on the 30 minutes short pattern, it is on sell on rise kind of mode. If you see the short pattern and candlestick pattern of 30 minutes. So Bank Nifty is around like 35,520 level right now. So we don't have any proper clue whether we are going for a dip or we are going for a recovery. So we need proper clarity here to get the perfectionism in the trend. We need breakdown of previous day low. It means Friday's low. I'll be drawing the levels right now. So just in 3 minutes, we are about to complete our first 30 minutes candle. So we can fix it out what exactly in store for us for the remaining part of the day. So sometimes you'll get clarity after 15 minutes. Sometimes you'll get clarity after 30 minutes. Sometimes you may get clarity after 2 hours candle. So we must wait with patience. Patience is the game here. So we can't hurry and jump into the market to take something unnecessary trades. So ladies and gentlemen, so let's fix it out. Which is the best strategy which suits perfectly for the remaining part of the day. So today we are facing some technical issues, so I hope it will get rectified in minutes of time. So Bank Nifty is still struggling around like 35,500 levels. So in case if this forms a base based on the Friday support, we are still in buy on dips market. So Friday's lows came. So in another 2 minutes of time, we are about to complete our first 30 minutes candle. Okay, so patience is again here. So don't jump in any kind of call or put right now until unless we get proper clarity. So in 15 short pattern, we will find out the first rejection. So still market is in consolidation mode. Lot of retail traders are in confusion mode right now. So we need to capture the best moves. So we need to prepare ourselves. So where is the edge lies in? So if we are not well prepared for anything, we can't catch anything whenever the right momentum starts in the market. So that's the reason what is the Friday slow is all about. 35,350 is the level. Okay, see overall support range. Overall support range for this is 35,250. This is overall support for the trend. So this is a Friday slow and today's high just see is all about 35,640 is the today's high. So we need today's high and low because I'm drawing more horizontal lines, which is a confusion for all of you guys. Let's see, market will take a dip near to Friday's low to take any kind of opportunity, or it is directly taking the support near 35,500 levels. So let's observe it smaller time frame of 5 minutes also at the same time. See, smaller time frame which we are seeing is all about dips support is taking right now. And if you observe the 15 minutes short pattern, also, 35,500 is acting as a strong support. This is the level where we are seeing the strong support in Bank Nifty. So how's the behavior in Nifty? Let's go on. So if you observe the larger time frame of 30 minutes and 1 hour, we are on sell on rise. And if you see the smaller time frame of 5 minutes and 15 minutes for the intraday purpose, we are in buy on dips market. But overall, today's low is act as a support and Friday's low act as a support. So don't chase anything, my dear friends, right now. So let's spend some time in smaller time frame. So market always try to increase the greed of the retail traders, and it creates the FOMO to make us jump in unnecessary ranges. See, if you see the first 5 minutes candle, market has tried to push up the retail traders to make the opportunity in any kind of call. So this is not the right time to take impulse or puts. Okay. So, but it is a kind of dips buying is going on until unless we have strong support near the dips. And if it takes out the today's high, 100% is a sign for short covering rally. In case if today's low breaks and it takes the Friday's low, then we can expect a kind of crash in the market. So up to that, we need to wait with patience. We can't jump in these kind of scenarios. Okay, most of the traders they unnecessarily jump into the market and they get stuck in unnecessary ranges. That's the reason always we should find out where our real edge lies in. If we know our edge, 100% is a sign of healthy way of trading. In case if we're hitting our stop loss also, it's fine, but overall probability win rate will be high. So if you observe the Nifty scenario, ITC, ICICI, Tata Steel, L&T, large caps are doing good, but financial companies like Bajaj Finserv, and banks like Kotak Mahindra, even Dr. Reddy's is also in flat right now. So large caps are really doing good in Nifty. Let's see the contribution in Bank Nifty also at the same time. So if I observe, banks are a little looking strong. Overall score is looking a strengthy kind. If you see ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, SBI, they're mild positive mode, taking the recent Friday support also at the same time. Only Kotak and PNB is in negative. So most of the banks, most of the major weighted banks like ICICI, HDFC Bank, Axis, SBI, AU Financial Bank, and remaining banks like RBL, IDFC, all trading in positive mode. But overall, if you see the Bank Nifty scenario also, if you see the psychological behavior of the Bank Nifty also, it is going on buy on dips range. Let's wait and watch for a few more minutes. So in case if it is a buy on dips, it is a time to take the opportunity in the call side. So let's find out which is the best strike price to select for the day. So don't hurry for anything right now, my dear friends. We need proper clarity and proper conviction is required to take the advantage of edge of near the resistance and support ranges. So my dear friends, so we need to wait once we complete the 10-15 candle, we are getting the little more clarity, and sometimes we may get after 2 hours also. Sometimes second off will be like rocking. So we don't have any kind of clue right now until unless our support is strong. So my dear friends, what is the main key level which we need to observe in Bank Nifty is all about 35,500 levels. This is the area range, this is the low, and this is the high for the day. So low and high acts as a key role. So if you observe the 30 minutes candle plays a key role. First 30 minutes you have seen a strong rejection. So next 30 minutes, in case if any strength development happens, it is a sign for short covering rally after 10-15. So let's move to 1 hour candle observation. Just we are doing the multiple time frame observation. In case if this candle continues and after 1 hour any strength development happens in 1 hour candle, again we may see the kind of short covering value after 11-15 candle in 1 hour. So we don't have any clarity right now until unless we close at 10-15 1 hour candle. So my dear friend, in case if you have any queries, kindly type here in the chat box. I'm ready to help you out. This is our first live trading session which we are conducting in live stream today, because usually we are too busy with our clients over Zoom. Yes, Nifty future is in flat mode right now. If we take the Bank Nifty future also, Bank Nifty future is in flat. Both are trading in flat range. And if you see the overall score of banking stocks, once again, let's have a look in banking stocks like ICICI, HDFC, Axis, SBI, still in positive mode. So let's wait on, let it complete at 10:15 exactly, so we can find out where exactly our edge lies in. So in case if any rejection seen on Friday's low takeout, we may see a kind of crash in the market. In case if any sudden strength development happens in this range, 100% it is a sign for short covering for up move. But overall, if you see the banking stocks, all heavy weighted stock like ICICI is in good positive mode. Overall score out of 100 and seeing 92% positive rate in majority of the banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis, SBI, and even remaining small cap banks also at the same time like Bandhan and Federal. So my dear friends, we need to wait with patience. This is a consolidation range. If you jump in consolidation range, crocodiles will catch you at any point of time. So we should not get trapped in the market. Most of the traders, they get trapped in the market. Sorry for interruption. Today, especially, we are facing some technical issues. So, my dear friends, let it complete a 1 hour candle so we can fix it out. What's in the store for the remaining part of the day? Overall, it is a buy on dips going on. As I keep on telling, this is a buy on dips market. So, we are getting more clarity once day side takes out in 1 hour. So, I'm preparing myself in 35,800 call. I have kept under observation right now. So, in case if I'm getting any kind of opportunity, so let's plan where is the support range and where is the resistance range. Overall, it is going on buy on dips market as I keep on telling. So this is what which we need to focus. So first 1 hour candle is the strengthy candle which I have seen. If you go to 30 minutes candle, what is the first 30 minutes candle has shown us is all about the rejection. Second candle is the strength development candle. This is all happening due to the strong banking stocks like ICICI, HDFC is giving a strong support for Bank Nifty. So in case if day's high takes off, it is the time to take the opportunity in calls. So let's wait on, don't hurry for anything, my dear friends. So in case if it is an opportunity, so we are planning to take in 35,800 call. So 1 hour is showing super strength. Let's see, this area should cross. This area should cross, then it is a sign to take in calls. Please remember, overall, if you see the in smaller time frame like 15 minutes, we are in buy on dips market, but we don't have confirmation to buy exactly in call side. That confirmation will get in larger time frame once we complete 15 minutes and 30 minutes candle right now around like 10:15. So 10:15 1 hour candle plays a key role right now. So remaining multiple time frames just we have kept under observation. So is it the right time to take in calls or is it right time to take in puts? Whatever we are doing here, it is just price action observation, but overall time frame which we need to compare on every 10 minutes and 15 minutes basis. So if you see the smaller time frame, sometimes in smaller time frame rejection will happen. So a lot of guys they'll enter in concert and they get stuck away. That's the reason we need proper confirmation, smaller time frame and larger time frame. If that confirmation which we are getting, that is the strong strengthy rally or strong strengthy correction. Like a lot of weakness will form in the market. And sometimes we'll be getting a lot of strength and sudden strength in the market. This all happens due to the based on the larger time frame candle. So price action observation is important at any point of time. So once we get proper confirmation, the price action, next important thing which we need to do is a focus on the premium. What is the premium which I have kept? Here is all about 35,800 call. So this is the call which I am seeing right now. So let's see the bank stock score also at the same time. Banking stock score is very much important. Which banks are giving the contribution for the day? Yes, Bank Nifty, as I'm telling, it is keep on shooting. Yes, exactly. So multiple time frame observation is very much important. So overall, this is the range where we need to take the advantage of calls or puts. So let's see, this is the area zone. In case if you are getting proper confirmation in smaller time frame of 5 minutes and 15 minutes, it is the time to take the opportunity in calls. So what is the larger time frame is showing is the strengthy larger time frame is showing on here. So if you see in 15 minutes candle, it is this area is taking the base. So overall range which we are seeing right now here is all about the base range. So in case if it is taking the proper support, we can take the right opportunity in calls. So let's see the observation. Yes, this range is acting as a support. It's a Overall range support which is giving is all about 214 and 215 range. Yes, as I'm keep on telling, this is buy on dips market. There is no confusion in anything right now. So overall, we are in buy on dips market. So if we observe the entire scenario of the Bank Nifty also at the same time. So if you observe the Bank Nifty scenario, ICICI Bank is super strengthy for the day. And if you see the Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, everything is super strengthy for the remaining part of the day. So once we are gonna complete our first 1 hour candle, it is a sign to take advantage in calls. So just now we have completed the day's high and it is sustaining the day's high. So overall day's high range which you have drawn here based on 15 minutes and 30 minutes short pattern is 35,635 acted as a base right now. So that's the reason this is the area zone where we need proper confirmation. In case if it sustains, it's the time to take the opportunity in the call side. Or in case if any rejection happens, still we need to wait on. So as of now, still we are in buy on dips market. Yes, we need to focus is 35,635 level. This should act as a support. In case if this high acts as a support, still we are in buy on this market. In case it breaks, no, don't be in long side. So this confirmation, this is just playing up and down, just to trap the retail trades. This usually happens during the resistance and support ranges to confuse the retail traders and not to stay long and not to take the opportunity as for the retail traders. So we need to wait. So as this is still a support based on 30 minutes and based on 15 minutes also, it is acting as a strong support area. So we need patience, that's it. So don't hurry unnecessarily that you are missing something or due to FOMO or panic. Just wait down and take the opportunity in calls or puts. So banks are looking very strong right now. If you see ICICI Bank, if I am observing ICICI, HDFC, Axis, SBI, Kotak, all are trading in positive range. Don't do anything in hurry. Just wait with patience and take the opportunity. So if you see that 30 minutes short pattern, it is in positive mode, and if you observe 15 minutes pattern also in positive mode. So overall buy on dips is there, but near the support range we need to wait with patience. So this is the area zone where resistance has turned into the positive range for the intraday traders. But overall range, this is the triple top formation fail has happened on the recent Friday. So this area should cross with a strengthy candles. Then 100% is a sign for a rally in the market. Don't do anything in hurry, but we need 100% confirmation. But overall, it is not buy on dips is going on right now. So let's observe the smaller time frame also at the same time. Everywhere we are in the edge right now. So edge should turn into the support. This may happen after 10-15 1 hour candle. So 10-15 1 hour candle plays a key role right now. So 35,635 should act as a strong base. What is the base which I have drawn here is 35,635 should act as a strong base. Above base, if it plays like whipsaws also, it's fine, but base should take a strong support. Then it is a 100% sign for short covering rally. That confirmation which we'll be getting in 15 minutes, and if we observe even 30 minutes also, we need to focus here. So it may take the base also based on 35,635. If this is not the base, clear cut fall will be there in the market. So let's go for 1 hour candle. 1 hour candle will show us a keyword right now. So strength develop perfect strengthy candle which you are seeing in 1 hour at the same time. So let's observe in Nifty also at the same time how is the Nifty behavior is going on. Yes, Nifty overall 15,750 should cross. Then that is a resistance. Nifty is showing good strength. No need to worry about Nifty. Only the key worry is the bank Nifty for the retail traders from last few sessions. So don't worry for anything. Yes, this acts as a support. This range should act as a support. That clarity which we can see in 5 minutes time frame. This is the area zone where Bank Nifty is taking the base. In case if this acts as a base, it is a time to take the advantage in calls. So sustainability is important near these levels. And this area should take the support. If this area acts as a support, then 100% it is called buy on this market. In case this failure happens, again reversal pattern will form. So let's see once we complete the 1 hour candle. Are we seeing any kind of rejections in 1 hour candle or no? So my dear friends, in case you have any queries, kindly let me know. I'm ready to help you out. No, it is unable to take the base of day's high. So let it complete 10:15 exactly. We'll be getting more clarity in the moves. If 35,635 acts as a support based on first 15 minutes and 30 minutes candle, still we are in buy on this market. In case if it is breaking, no, there is no question of downside. This base is taking the support perfectly. Yes. So based on this base, we can be in. Patience is a key important thing, nothing else in the market. If you are patient, you can grab the best moves in the market. If you don't have patience, you can't catch anything in the market. That's the reason we need strong patience. Only patient traders can win in a big way. Nothing else. As long as we are with the base support of 35,635 level, we are still on buy on this market. So we need to wait, and we must wait here. So my dear friends, in case if you are facing any issues or regarding the market, kindly let me know here in the chat box. I am ready to help you out. So as we are seeing, it is buy on dips market is going on, and overall once again let's see the bank Nifty score. ICICI Bank is in super strength. ICICI Bank is in super strength. Axis, HDFC, Kotak, and SBI. All these banks are showing in perfect positive mode. As long as we are with the base of 35,635, there'll be a strength in the market. Don't see one move, two moves, three moves. Just wait on. Wait on with proper clarity mode is important. So, because as you see, the in general scenario, Bank Nifty always behaves very wild. Don't get panicked seeing the wild moves of the Bank Nifty. So that's the reason we need proper direction. If you know proper direction in the moves, you can grab the best moves in the market. So overall structure, if you see the price action also, it is in buy on dips. But patience testing is going on. Only who stays strong in the market can grab big moves in the market. Who are very weak mentally, they always do speculation. They can't grab the big moves in the market. This is the usual scenario. That's the reason who are mentally strong can grab the big moves in the market. Yes, still buy on dips is going on. So this is the area zone where it has grown in the proper support. Let's see at 10:15 exactly right now. We are going to complete a first 1 hour candle. But what exactly which I'm seeing is all about buy on dips is going on. So this is a time frame where we need to observe is 225 and 230. In case if it triggers near to this high, then we can see a kind of strong short covering in call side. So let's see the behavior in Bank Nifty future also at the same time. Yes, still it is going on. Few people is having doubt that how buy on dips market will turn into sell on dips market. So in case if any failure happens on the top levels near 35,750 is the overall next resistance range. In case market is unable to cross this level, we can expect a sell on rise market. But as of now, still banks are looking very strong. That's the reason we are very confident for buy on dips market. So 35,635 is acting as a support right now. Still, we are at the support range. Support is strong. Yes, strength development is required here. This is the base. This is the base for buy on dips market. This line which have drawn here, I'll draw one more. I'll keep double line for more observation here. So this is the area zone is 35,635 acted as a base. This is the base to be in buy on dips market. In case if you want to know what is the sell on rise market, it should be below the range of 35,635. It is playing in a whipsaw game. What is happening here is still it is struggling near the base region. So this base should take strong support. Then it is a sign for short covering move in Bank Nifty. So Nifty is going in a strengthening mode. No need to touch much in Nifty right now. So this is the overall range in Nifty. Already it is near to double top of the recent high of 15,750 levels. Only the struggle thing which is happening right now is the bank Nifty. But overall, if you see the major bank scenarios, ICICI, HDFC, and ICICI is showing a good strengthy move. So, but it is unable to give the best opportunities here. So let's wait and watch. This is the area, John, where we need to be super alert. So whether today's first day's high will sustain or not. So 35,735 level should sustain for short covering rally. Yes. So 35,635 should act as a strong support. This we can see in the larger time frame. In case if any failure happens, there is a kind of reversal move. Still, we didn't get our trigger price. But overall scenario seems to be in buy on dips market. So my dear friends, in case if you're facing any issue, kindly let me know. I'm ready to help you out. So overall, if you see the scenario of the Bank Nifty, it is still near the support range of 35,635, and it is just playing the big source of up and down moves to trap the retail traders. So always remember one thing: market never moves in straight line. Market never moves in straight line. Always market moves in a zigzag and whipsaws to confuse the retail traders. That's the reason most of the retail traders will get trapped in the market. Lack of proper clarity and lack of proper conviction in the moves. Yes, this is the area for support range. Please remember this and please draw the lines, take the snapshot of this. So still we are in the support range. So upcoming candles plays a key role for the strength. Yes, my dear friends. So 35,635 still it is struggling in this range. This is the overall support which Bank Nifty is facing a tough resistance. So let's wait and watch. Don't hurry for anything, but overall we are in buy on dips market until unless we have strong support of banking stocks like ICICI, Axis, HDFC, and Kotak, and even SBI also. All banks are showing a strengthy move, but it is consolidation near the highs. It is not giving clarity for the retail traders. So 35,635 plays a key role for the remaining part of the day. It is a kind of breakdown is happening near this range. Whenever we don't have proper clarity near this range, so it is a sign for again second consolidation phase. It's not an exact sign for reversal, but it is a sign of falling into the consolidation mode. We are still waiting for the clarity in Bank Nifty 35. In case if it crosses like 225 and 230 range, it is a sign to take the advantage in call side. So that is our strike price which we have selected for the day. So don't chase anything. It is just confusing, as I keep on telling. 35,635. It's playing in that range only. From last 30 minutes, it is just playing the whipsaws. If I keep the 3 minutes short pattern, you can come to know. See how many whipsaws which you have seen up and down, up and down, up and down. Smaller time frame will be helpful whether we are going for a reversal or no. The larger time frame will be getting more clarity for the further move in the market. Just it is shaking the retail trade. That's it. Nothing else. Market always try to shake the retail traders. So you have to be super strong to catch the super strengthy moves in the market. If people who are mentally weak, they can't hold strengthy moves in the market. This happens due to lack of patience and lack of strong conviction on the moves. Even if you see 5 minutes, there's whipsaws are going on. Yes, still I can say we are in buy on dips market. Until unless we have strong support, then we can expect a kind of strong strengthy moves. But if you see the banking stocks, no bank is in negative other than PNB. Only PNB, Punjab National Bank, is in negative. That's it. Okay, most majority of the weighted stocks like ICICI, Axis, HDFC score is perfect right now. Overall strength of Bank Nifty is like 180 is going on right now because of the major bank support. Just playing in whipsaws to trap retail traders. This is the usual scenario which we will be seeing in the market. Overall breakout range is 35,900. This is a triple top failure which we have seen on the recent Friday. In case this takes strong support, if this area turns into strong support, then we can see a big move in Bank Nifty futures at any point of time. So now we are just standing on the overall support of 35,500 and for the intraday support of like 35,635. Don't shake for anything, just move on with the proper conviction ranges. Just still it is playing in whipsaws. If you see the smaller time frame, you'll be coming to get more clarity what kind of whipsaws these are. Just trapping. If anyone buys calls, just it will trap. If anyone buy puts, just it will trap with the stop losses and it will go for single move direction. After trapping only we can see a single side direction. So for trapping, let's allow some time. But we need to wait for our trigger level in call side. Still we didn't got our trigger level is around like 225 and 230 area in 35,800 call. So this area, in case if it breaks and sustain below, it is called consolidation mode is going on. Again, second consolidation phase is going on. I can't say exact reversal, but second consolidation zone is going on right now. So once we complete next 1 hour candle, so we need to keep on moving based on the observation of the time frames right now. So if you observe the multiple time frames, hourly candles are showing a proper strength, but these are all at edge. And if you observe like 15 minutes short pattern, still 35,635 should act as a strong support range. Then only you can expect a strong and big move in the market. Market never allows retail traders to make money in an easy way. Always it will be tough, but if you should be more tougher than market, then only you can grab the big moves and best moves in the market based on the strong conviction. So let's see the once again bank nifty contribution. Still banking stocks are super strong right now. So let's observe few banking stocks. ICICI Bank. Banks are gaining a strength. All are in flat to positive mode, but we need to wait for momentum. That's the reason Bank Nifty is still in consolidation mode. Bank Nifty never allow retail traders to make money in a easy manner. Always it creates toughness, but it should be more tougher than that. This area still it is acting as a resistance for the day. In case this resistance turn into support, we can see strong move in Bank Nifty future. But we are in second phase of consolidation in intraday right now. So just we have completed our 15 minutes candle. Let's see how the behavior has gone away. It is still struggling in this range. So this is the area zone where we need lot of patience. If we don't have patience, we can't grab any big moves in the market. So 35,635 still acting as a whipsaw range. And this is the second consolidation phase which is going near this level. $225 and $230 range is the best range to take the opportunity in the calls. Yes, still it is going on. In second consolidation phase near resistance range. So my dear friends, so Bank Nifty is facing still in whipsaws near the support range of 35,635 for the day. In case if this level acts as a support, we can expect a strong move in Bank Nifty future. So if we observe the banking sectors also in still in positive mode, so we need momentum. So when the market falls into the second consolidation phase, we need strong momentum in the market. Once we see the strong momentum, we can see a big move in the market. So anytime big moves will happen because we need to be in the trend side. Then only we can able to catch the moves in the market. So still we are in the base of 35,635. As long as we are in this base, we are still in positive mode. But second consolidation is going on near this base. So my dear friends, this is a time to be with patience, nothing else. If because we can't make any big profits in just minutes of time, that is not possible. So just wait on, I'll be keep on updating you. But if you observe the overall Nifty range, Nifty has turned the resistance into support. So this is the Friday's high, but this is a fair candle which you are seeing here. So Nifty already touches the trend range. So after 10:45, let's wait and watch. But overall, it is in support range. Only Bank Nifty is struggling unnecessarily, and it is just touching the whipsaws and playing in a whipsaw game near the base region of 35,635 levels. We require one strengthy candle, then only we can gain strong momentum in the market. So let's wait and watch. Let's take 5 minutes break, and the session will be keep on continuing for the remaining part of the day. So still near the base it is going on. So we need to be with patience. Patience is a game here, nothing else. Yes, just back. So Bank Nifty is still struggling in this range, as I am keep on telling. It is just falling to the second consolidation base, but we are at the base level of like 35,635 level. Just it is testing the retail traders' patience. And even though if you observe the Nifty future also, it is struggling near the resistance range of 15,750 level. Just a patience testing game is going on right now. We must pause this test for the upcoming move in Bank Nifty future. If you observe the smaller time frame, I'll be showing you right away. See how many whipsaws. Every candle it is just touching down and up. Almost like if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost like 15 candles, 15 to 16 candles are struggling in this range. Yes. So this is the area zone for rejection or it is not allowing any retail traders to stay near this zone of 35,635 levels. So just it is playing football to trap retail traders in a big way. But still it is a kind of support. So 35,635 is the magic level for the day. Please remember this. In case if you are going to sustain this level, 100% is a sign for momentum, or else it will fall into the next consolidation phase. Still, I can't see any kind of strong reversal. There is no kind of strong reversal is there in the market. Seeing the scenario of the time frames, but it is just trapping the retail traders. This is what I can tell. See how many times it has trapped 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 15 minutes candle. It means from almost 1 hour it is playing a football with retail traders. So it's like totally annoying. Who try to play speculation, they'll 100% trapped in these kind of moves. It won't allow any retail. It is not allowing retail traders to stay in this near this horizontal range. It is just trapping everyone. Almost like 5 to 6 candidates who has bought calls in this range all gone away with the stop loss hits. But still market is in consolidation to positive mode is there. Every move it is just testing the patience of the retail traders. This is what which you are seeing right now. So let's move to lots of time frame of 1 hour also at the same time. Okay, still it is the support. If you take 2 hours time frame, yes, still we are seeing a kind of strength. Only the thing is we need momentum and we need patience. These are the two: momentum in the market and patience in our mind. If we have these two skills right now, we can pause the big move in the market. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any queries, kindly let me know here in the chat box. I'm ready to help you out. Yes, Mr. Laxer, it's a moving average of 20 days. So Bank Nifty is still in struggling mode, around like 36,635 is still a base. But it is in base, near base, we are feeling a consolidation mode. So once we gain any kind of momentum in Bank Nifty, so we can expect a kind of big move in the market. Yes, it is a moving average which I'm using. We don't use much indicators, but overall it depends on the price action. Indicators are just for the support purpose which we can use. That's it. With the help of indicators, we can't know whether we are gaining the momentum or not. Just struggling. Enjoy this struggling, then only we can enjoy the big profits in the market. That's it. Still beyond the base, our base level is a magic level for the day. Okay, 35,635 is acting as a strong base and keep on telling from last 1 hour. We are just in a struggling range of 35,635 level. Let's move to the smaller time frame just for the observation. It's just playing the stop loss hunting game is going on here. Only stop loss hunting game is going on and it has fallen into consolidation for almost like 45 minutes to 1 hour. Yes. So dear friends, in case if you are facing any issue, any problem related to trading, kindly let me know. I'm ready to help you out here. Most of the buy on this market behaves in this range only, and at the same time it will trap the retail trades in big way. It won't allow any retail traders to stay in this range. Patience. This is a skill which we must inculcate as a trader, or else we can't win any kind of game. Even though if we have strong conviction also, you can't win the game due to lack of patience. Patience is a key skill which we must inculcate to become a successful trader in the market. Nothing else. We can't play a very bad game with the lack of patience. Even though if you're having good knowledge, if you're having good proper setup, proper charting setup, but you are unable to grab the big moves. This happens why? Because due to lack of patience. This is our magic level. Which we are holding from last 1 hour. Anytime it may gain momentum. Once it gains momentum, then it is a big gain. This is what which I'm telling you from last few minutes. Just we have fallen into the second consolidation phase, but we are in bionics. What is the skills required to become a successful trader is all about we need strong patience and conviction. Then only we can able to catch the best moves in the market. nothing else. It's not about the indicator, it's not about the other stuffs which you are using. That never gives you money. It's all about perfect conviction and patience. If you're in the right direction, you can catch the big moves in the market. Wow. This is a kind of a wow move. So how many guys are with me right now? This is the area zone where we are getting a strong and strengthy momentum. See the kind of trapping has happened near this level of 36,635 range. Next candle plays a key role. It's all about the completion of the 2 hours pattern in Bank Nifty feature. Yes. Wow. Yes, Mr. Bank Nifty, let's come on, let's rock it. Yes. This is how we need to trade in the market. Patience is a key skill which you must inculcate as a trader. So next candle will form only after 11, 15, any kind of big candles which you can see is all about. Now we are going to complete our first 15 minutes candle. This is the reason which I'm telling you is all about buy on dips market. How powerful our strategy is, how powerful our conviction is, and how much strong patience we are. This determines to become a successful trader in the market. Nothing else. It's not about indicator. Those are all secondary guys. So, dear friends, so first important skill which you must inculcate as to become a successful trader is all about the patience. I'm using this word patience more because it should fix in your mind to become a successful trader. Nothing else. This is the reason we are in buy on dips market. How powerful this strategy is. Yes, it is about to gain momentum near this range. So 35,635 acts as a stop loss for now. So dear guys, if you have any queries, kindly let me know. So this is a region where BankNifty has faced unnecessary whipsaws and it has trapped in a big way. So most of this near these support ranges, it will trap the retail traders, but we should not shade. But that's the reason we need strong conviction, strong determination to grab the best moves in the market. This all happens if you know the proper chart setup and if you know proper conviction ranges of the support and resistance ranges of Bank Nifty future. Yes, we are still in buy and dips. Next thing is all about the momentum candle. So once we complete this 1 hour candle, are we able to momentum or no? We will see here. Perfectionism is important. Yes, this is where again second resistance is facing here. Once we pause this test, next important thing is the next resistance here at 5,700 levels. If we process big momentum, we can expect in Bank Nifty future. Nothing else, guys. So this is how we need to play the game. So we should know where is our base lies in. Overall base stands at 35,500, but has faced a little whipsaws in this region. That's the reason we need strong patience to grab the best moves in the market. Yes, wonderful move. Wonderful move. This is called wonderful move in Bank Nifty future and Bank Nifty options. Both it's working like anything. So see the power of the Bank Nifty future levels which you have seen right now. So I hope everyone is loving it. So I request, if you like my concept, kindly click like button here in YouTube. So it will be really helpful for me to grow my channel. My dear friends, it is my kind request, kindly click the like button and say cheers to market. This is called perfectionism in the move. As I keep on saying, from morning we are in buy on dips market, but we have fallen into the consolidation mode. Whenever you see these kind of moves, sudden jets will happen in the market to trap retail traders. Once we pause this test, we can see a big move in the market. So this is how we need to plan our game, and this is how we need to grab the moves in the market. So once again, requesting everyone to say cheers, clicking the like button here in YouTube. Say cheers to the market, everyone. This is the perfectionism in the move, nothing else. So even Nifty is in positive mode. At the same time, as I keep on telling Nifty, no need to worry about the Nifty. Only struggle is the Bank Nifty futures only. And that too we have paused the perfect test. This is called buy on dips market based on a strong conviction. So ladies and gentlemen, in case you have any queries, kindly ping me over in the WhatsApp also at the same time. So what is the next resistance is all about? 35,750 overall range. Let's move to the smaller time frame. See the whipsaws, and it has trapped everyone in this range. This is whenever we are getting the dip, it is a time to add more positions and more quantity in your portfolio. These dips are just trapping the retail traders, trapping their stop losses on both ends of calls and puts. This we can observe in even in larger time frame of 15 minutes and 30 minutes also. So now we are about to complete 2 hours. In this 2 hours, what we have done is all about market has developed the buy on dips, and it has shooted towards new high of like 35,715 and 720 for the day. Now what next is all about 35,750 range, which you have drawn this level before itself during the first 30 minutes candle. So once it was the test of next resistance, then big gain is ahead for Bank Nifty future. It's perfectly moving. This is perfectly moving. There is no doubt in that. And if you see the premium behaviors also, it's going on perfectly right now. Yes, we can get it. This is how we need to play our game. It's not like unnecessarily jumping in the market to grab 5 points, 10 points. This is not the real way of trading. So let's say cheers, guys. Clicking the like button here in the YouTube. Yes, Mr. Lexer, we are riding the trend. Still, we are riding the trend. And for now, our stop loss is around like 35,635 levels. And we can go on trailing also, booking like 50% profits, and remaining 50% you can maintain buying price as your stop loss also at the same time. Trend riding is important right now. So we are about to complete the first 2 hours candle and 2 hours candle around 11:15. So let's see the Nifty behavior also at the same time. Nifty has taken the overall resistance into support. So this is the range where Nifty has faced the strong resistance, and this resistance already turned into the support. Next weightage we must see from the mid caps and small caps. This is what which we need to observe in Nifty also at the same time. So let's rock on, guys. Say cheers to everyone who has taken the participant in this rally. So let's take one more break for 10 minutes. Let it complete the 2 hours candle, then we can plan what next in the game for us.